Do I have a surprise for you guys today? So you guys know that Riverside is one of my favorite builders that are here in Northeast Florida. They're a local builder and they have amazing design choices available and they make amazing model homes. Let's go check out this brand new model home in Hidden Creek. This is a brand new model, so it may look a little bit familiar. One of my favorite models is the Ortega. It's a 1-story, but this is gonna be the Avondale II 2, because there's a bonus on the top. Let's go check it out, and there's full of surprises in here. Come on. I don't even think you guys are ready for this. You're gonna fall in love. Okay, so this is a 5-bedroom, 5-bath, 4,134 square feet, 3-car garage, offers everything that you need and probably more than you imagined. It's gorgeous, come on. The one thing that I'm already noticing off the bat that this is very similar to the Ortega is the fact of the high ceilings. Now, Riverside does 12-foot ceilings automatically. Only a few plans don't have it automatically because it's a 2-story plan, but oh my gosh, like the entryway and how they kind of welcome you into this. I joke around and say like it's like a warm hug, but their design choices that they have in here. So they have the 2 bedrooms right off to your right, which is just like the Ortega, with the bathroom as well already there. But I feel like it has like a little bit more space. So if you were looking for a little bit more depth and room, obviously it's 4,100 square feet. But if you're looking for more about space or even this little nook retreat here, perfect for a home office. You could even close this as well. But either way, even open, it looks absolutely stunning. But let's keep looking. Also, as a side note, I'm completely seeing this for the first time walking through with you guys just as much as you guys are looking at it the first time. So it's an experience for all of us. We're gonna keep exploring the first story first, and then we're gonna go to the second story last because it's a bonus, you know? It's a little bonus for the end. Shut up. Okay, so they did it again. They always do with design in general. Because it's just like that, like, how did you put those two together? They look absolutely gorgeous. One, I completely matched this entire theme. I knew I would with Riverside because they always do their greens and blues. Really love this addition. So this is an addition that is not on the other one, which is this beam area. Love that, love that. Also, this range and the size of it, obsessed with the range size. Now, of course, I know that my pantry pandas and moms care about our pantry size. Great pantry size. Feels like I could actually keep things organized in that one. Of course, the porcelain sink is an upgrade, but it's not as much as you think it is. I just did a design appointment. If you haven't seen that, I have it posted on another video. And then I feel like this area for the dining room is actually even a little bit deeper. And I did notice that one. Beautiful. Amazing job. Oh, and for my northerners who wish that they had enough space, you don't have a basement, I get it. It's a lot, but we do have a ton of storage that's utilized in this spot. Ah! Look at this. Light. So you have a ton of storage right here, which is great. And so this is right off that little bonus suite area in the living room. So there's a lot of storage available, even though you don't exactly have your basement. But let's go see the primary. Oh, this is a different addition. I love this pool bath area and exit out there because I hate people tracking wet feet through my house, which I currently have. And also this is like one of my favorite tiles. These little squares, I think they look like sticky notes, like aesthetically pleasing sticky notes. Stop. Okay, they went way too far with this wallpaper design here. It's on the actual lights. This is cute. Okay, I promised you the primary, let's go. Do you think I was gonna leave without giving my opinion? Of course not. I love this. Okay, so instead of like the typical bay windows that are rounded out, I love how they squared this off. So then it almost gives you like this additional square footage to be able to enjoy. At the end, because I know that you're probably looking through all of this, you're like, oh my gosh, that's stunning, Demi. How much is that? So we're actually gonna go through at the very end and I'm gonna say, hey, here are some major upgrades that were in this model specifically, so that you already kind of had that mentally in your head when you make the options. But the bathroom, I love the his and hers. I feel like that stopped happening for a while, but I love that we finally have it because I constantly push my husband's stuff out of my way, even though I have more stuff. But that's the problem, I have more stuff. The way that they did these designs for the closet, beautiful. I think it makes it more functional and ideal. I feel like we all see the cookie cutter IKEA look, and I love that. 2 shower heads, so no one gets cold. Not that I'm saying that other people would be in your shower. Now, they do have a door in this in real life. Just wanna let you guys know. But this, they did beautifully. I mean, the tray ceilings, the detail in general that they just put into their homes. Let's keep going. Well, that's the tour. Just kidding, let's go upstairs. Oh. Okay, so you guys missed my reaction because you guys were in a different angle, but I'll recreate it for you. Oh. 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 Oh, no, I'm just kidding. I didn't do that. That was a little dramatic, but did not realize that I was going to keep following that. I was like, why is the closet light on so bright? No, I'm just kidding. It just is another room. I love that. Oh, the closet's a nice size too. And I am a sucker for natural light. You can't give me enough. I'm gonna look at this one first. Are you guys ready? And again, my Northerners, my storage people, we have this room. Either your least favorite child can go inside of it, your mother-in-law can go inside of it, or more storage upstairs. But I mean, great. For all the games, because you know this will end up being your game room. You're gonna end up putting a pool table up here, a ping pong table, something cool. I mean, or like an older kid, like to have this suite. They did so great. I keep laughing because I look like I'm probably blending into the background of everything. Do you guys want to see the backyard? Let's go. Okay, I'm dead. This house is beautiful. I'm gonna go bury myself in the preserve back here. Gosh, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh, and I love how the pool's like reflecting off the house. I'm a sucker for white homes, like just bleach white. Do I want to pressure wash that every day? Probably not. But I'm a sucker for them and they're beautiful. But this is just one of multiple floor plans that they have to offer here with Riverside Homes in Hidden Creek. And I mean, you guys can just tell, come on. I do like a lot of the changes that they did add to this one to make it a little like zhuzh up. There we go, that's the word I was looking for the other day. Zhuzh up the Ortega a little bit because I feel like obviously you have to with Hidden Creek being this private, exclusive community, you have to zhuzh it up a little bit. And I think the choices that they made were absolutely beautiful. But I know that you're waiting to the end of the video for me to talk about the upgrades and what the biggest price points are for those. So let's talk about them. Okay, so let's talk about some of those upgrades. So in total, the base price of this model is $975. This model home is $1.6 million. So there are almost $600,000 of upgrades in this property, but what specific ones are actually the big hitter so then we know when we're starting to plan? Let's go see. Well, let's talk about one of the big ticket items that we all think about when we're in design studio. What about the kitchen? Well, to tell you, the appliances alone were $57,000. And that fridge alone was $22,000. So yes, there are a little bit more higher end options in this kitchen than maybe you would do if you're starting off standard, but there's some beautiful options in here as well, including the extended range and the pot filler and the beautiful hood that is over the oven. Love it. And then you do have 2 ovens that are a part of this range, so you don't have that double oven thing going on. You could always add that, by the way, because it's an option. But you have your microwave within the cabinetry, which I personally like because I hate it sitting on the counter. It just doesn't look good to me. Definitely, I'm sure the countertops were a huge expense in all of this because this is, I mean, I'm pretty sure that this is like level 8 because this is one of my favorite ones that I liked. The extended cabinetry with the stacked, that's an additional cost. The handles, I'm not kidding you, are an additional cost. The sink was definitely additional cost. Having the brushed champagne gold, that was an additional cost. The backsplash was an additional cost. So all these things just start adding up over time. Oh, also this is too that you would never probably think of, but this outer detail, additional cost. And where outlets are placed are additional costs typically, but that was one of the bigger items was this, and I'm sure you can guess the next one. We are looking at $125,000 of upgrades. Not talking about the TV. That pool back there and the marble pavers all around, an upgrade. $125,000 without a screen. And then when you add a screen on, then you're looking at other numbers that we'll talk about. So the total with lighting, flooring, paint, extra design options, little extra cabinetry, that is all adding up to about $190,000. Now you're gonna say, Demi, you told me that it was $600,000 of upgrades. Don't forget about structural. So adding the additional bonus room, adding the additional little cabana out here, that's additional as well. The way the doorways are, some of the ceiling heights or some of the ceiling designs in other areas, those all start adding up, and those are all on your electrical, your structural. That whole entire meeting is a whole separate meeting aside from design. So you want to make sure that you're really strategic on the things that you are wanting and all the things that maybe you could wait till after. Structural, a little bit harder to wait till after, but some of the design choices may be able to be made after. And by the way, did you know I'm really good at negotiating design credit so you can get whatever you want the first time around? There's a lot of options here in Silverleaf and specifically in Hidden Creek with both Mastercraft and Riverside Homes when it comes to the floor plan selections. But this is just one of many neighborhoods offered here in St. Johns County. So if you are looking in the St. Johns County area and kind of toying with different ideas and different neighborhoods to go to, let's jump on a call and we could talk about some different options that you may have that may work perfect for your family that you weren't even considering. Until next time, I'm Demi Judd, here to help becoming local just a little bit easier. I'll see you next time.